Good morning. What's going on, everyone? Thank you for joining me today, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, awesome. If not, and you're returning, great. So, I have a new project, and I am super pumped on it. So happy to own another Subaru. Before I had a WRX quite a few years ago, and it was taken away just because somebody decided to run a red light and had a head-on with me. So, lame. But man, look, got a new to me, but new Old Forester. It's a 2004 model. It is the XT, so it's the turboed version, 2.5 liter. Basically the same as a STI, except it's got a wagon style body. Picked it up yesterday. It was super rainy and dark, so I didn't want to, film anything, but this is it, man. Let's check out what we got in here. Got a little bit of cleaning to do, which I'll probably knock that out today sometime. Let's go ahead and take a seat. Let's check what we got here. We got some crazy looking wiring going on. Got a couple of pins. A little bit of a reimbursement. Woo! Some stuff going on in the back here. Some more crazy wiring. I have no idea what that's for. Gotta trace it down, see what it goes to. Let's check out the glove box. Got a parking meter, tire pressure gauge, got some bags, got another pin, and a Greddy ProTech B-Spec 2. I'm guessing that's the turbo timer. Probably a phone charger or something. Alright, well, that's that. Let's check out the back here. What is in here? We got ECU that was tuned by MZM Performance in Houston, not San Antonio. It was tuned in Houston originally. We got what's in here? Oh, looky here. We got turbo components. What is this? TD04 maybe? Super small one for sure. Pretty sure that's a TD04. Where's the marking at? Oh well, it doesn't matter. Don't need it because I'm gonna put a bigger turbo on it. What's in here? Empty box. What is this? Earthen bus. I would assume that's brake pads. These must be rotors. Oh yeah, we got brand new rotors. Awesome. Good deal. And some professional pledge. What is that? I don't know. Something in a container. Boop. Like I said, I'm pretty pumped on this. I'm looking forward to jumping into the build. I got a lot to do though. Definitely got a lot of cleaning to do. Door jambs are gross. Inside's gross. Not cool. Oh look, we got a Deadpool. Nope, that's a bear, but it looks like Deadpool. Cool. Alright. So yeah, that's it. That is it, man. The whole car. Overall, it's pretty solid. There's never been in a wreck. It's got a clean, clear title. It does have a little bit of clear coat and stuff coming up from some, it's 2004. Wouldn't expect anything less. Clear coat popping here. Super simple fixes. There's a couple of little dings on the top. Not very many. They're super subtle from hail damage. And I think there's one little crinkle here. Should be pretty easy to pop out. Not anything serious, but overall, super solid car, great bass. for a project which I'm looking forward to diving into. So this will be continuously shot, obviously. I haven't stopped filming yet. Set this down here. So I was talking with the original owner, or not the original, but the second owner, and he was saying that he was driving home one day and it started to sound kind of funny, like it was getting fuel cut, and started making a knocking noise. And then it kind of stalled out. He fired it back up, drove the rest of the way to his house, which was a couple blocks, and then stalled out again. And when it stalled out, it lost all power. So at first he was saying that the engine was most definitely toast because of the knocking noise. I'll have to dive into that. But first I'm going to check out the electrical issue he said he had when it died, it cut all power to everything. So I'm going to start with that. Might film it, may not. I'm not super savvy with electrical stuff, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of freshen up. But overall, like I said, this is a great car for a project, and I'm so happy that I have another Subaru. I know I said that in the beginning, but dude, okay. And get this, I only paid $100. What? Unheard of. $100. Super pumped. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope, give you kind of an insight of what's going on here. And yeah, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Super appreciate the support. And yeah, that's going to be it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon, morning, night, whatever it is for you. Peace.